It was at this point that Dr. Gerson diverged from his colleagues. Instead of saying, "Oh, that's a lot of nonsense, go away," he said, "I'm interested. Do you know anyone else with lupus vulgaris? And if so, I'd like to try this diet out on them for free, just to see if it works."
Torej, to je bil trenutek, ko se je dr. Gerson potem nekako razšel z svojimi kolegi, je šel svojo pot in je potem vprašal tega pacienta, če morda pozna še koga, ki ima to diagnozo, ker si želi, dr. Gerson si je želel, da bi s tem pacientom tudi probal to dieto in da bi ga pravzaprav poskusil ozdraviti brezplačno.
Patient said, "Oddly enough, I have 3 of my friends in your waiting room, and they want you to treat them as well. I've met lots and lots of people all over Europe in my 25 years of all these doctors and sanatoria. Lots and lots of people, and I'll tell everybody."
Torej, ta pacient se je izkazal očitno za nekega enakovrednega partnerja v tem pogovoru. In je rekel, ja, čisto slučajno imam 3 prijatelje, znance, ki imajo ravno tako diagnozo te bolezni, ki so slučajno v vaši čakalnici. In razen tega poznam celo vrsto ljudi, ki imajo isto to diagnozo, saj sem jih spoznal v 25 letih, ko sem obiskoval vse te zdravnike po Evropi.
And so when Dr. Gerson tried his migraine diet on other patients with skin tuberculosis, he found that it cleared up their skin tuberculosis as well. But skin tuberculosis normally presents with other diseases as well, such as migraine, diabetes, lung tuberculosis, bone tuberculosis, kidney tuberculosis. And he found that when the skin tuberculosis and the migraine cleared up, so did all the other diseases.
Običajno je tako, da pacienti, ki imajo tuberkuloze kože, imajo tudi ostale bolezni ali bolezenska stanja, kot recimo migreno, tuberkulozo ledvic, pljuč in tako naprej. In kar je dr. Gerson ugotovil je, ko je za svojo terapijo, se pravi za dieto, pomagal pacientom, da so začele migrene in ta tuberkuloza kože izginjati, da so začeli izginjati tudi tiste druge bolezni, ki so jih te pacienti ponavadi imeli skupaj za tuberkulozo kože.
Soon he had a thriving practice in tuberculosis, in rheumatoid arthritis, in migraine, all kinds of different diseases, same treatment.
Torej, kmalu je imel zelo dobro, zelo uspešno prakso zdravniško za tretma ne samo tuberkuloze, ampak tudi cele vrste drugih bolezni. Reuma in artritis, recimo. Tako je tretiral oziroma pomagal celi vrsti ljudi.
Now this went against everything he had learned as a classical doctor. As a classical doctor, you have one disease, you have one treatment. There is no crossover between treatments, between diseases. You have one treatment, one disease. If you have another disease, you have another treatment along with it. But here, he was getting one treatment, clearing up a whole host of diseases.
Torej, to je bilo tisto, kar je bilo popolnoma drugačno kot v klasični medicini, ker je ponavadi ena bolezen in en tretma te bolezni. Potem, ko tukaj je pa en treatment, en tretma pozdravil celo vrsto bolezni, celo jato bolezni.
So he had to rethink now his whole idea, his whole theory of medicine. It was no longer one disease, one medicine, one disease, one treatment. Now it was one treatment for a whole range of diseases. And how was that happening? And so he had to think about that. And what he finally realized, and this was a brilliant insight, when he finally realized he was not treating the disease or the symptoms of the disease, he was treating the whole body's immune healing system with his diet, with his migraine diet.
Torej, zadal se je za nalogo, da bo razmislil, da bo razumel, kako to, da en tretma lahko pozdravi tako celo vrsto bolezni. In je veliko o tem razmišljal in je prišel do enega zelo globokega, posebnega spoznanja. In to spoznanje je bilo, da pravzaprav za tem tretmajem, za to dieto, ne zdravi bolezni, ki so simptomi, temveč direktno zdravi in vpliva na imunski sistem telesa.